Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up. Taurus, I'll be picking few cards from these decks, guys, and I'll give the message, love message from your person at last. Six of Swords reversed, guys. Three of Pentacles. The Magician. Five of Swords. King of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. Sorry, guys. Taurus, the energy with these cards is for few of you all, you may be feeling very tired or some kind of sickness. For some of you all, you may feel weak, that you are not able to complete your work, and you may accept your flaws, whatever it is. This may concern your relationship, guys, or your work. This may be the energy with your work. So you are feeling really weak and tired, and you have you are feeling very bad because of that, that you have lost something, some kind of sadness. You feel degraded, that you are not putting your skills and abilities to the maximum use. This may be because of some kind of feelings or emotions you may be having today, guys. Something may be making you sad, or for some of you all, it may be you may be sick. Sickness may be the reason for this, the tiredness or this weakness, whatever you feel today. And in this relationship with this person, this may be a twin flame soulmate connection, guys. You have a good understanding with this person. That is why you are coming out with your negatives. You are talking about your weakness today, that you are unable to complete your work or something of that sort, guys. So you are speaking the truth to this person. You have a very good understanding with them. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Maybe for some of you all, some minor illness may be the reason here. That is the reason that you're feeling that lack of confidence in you, or lack of skills or abilities, or the strength in you to do your work or to accomplish whatever you want to do today. So let us see what is coming with this other set of cards here, guys. Sun, Heart, Whips, Stock, Taurus. So with these cards, I feel the reason for your weariness may be some kind of routines, guys. Something you were doing habitually again and again, and maybe that was not giving the expected results, whatever you wanted to get in life. That may be the reason for this weakness or tiredness in your heart. You do not want to do it. And maybe for some of you all, you may feel you are not in control of your situation. Something else is controlling your situation, so, or some person. So you feel really tired because of that you are not able to do what you want to do, because something is causing the block in your life. But with these two cards, guys, with the Stock and Sun, I feel you will be able to overcome whatever difficulties you're facing today, guys, because it is a very positive card. So whatever negatives you're facing today, whatever is there, you are going to get you are going to overcome that with what to say, optimism and vitality in your heart and that inspiration, and you are going to be victorious today, guys. So that is the energy here. You are going to recover. So if you're sick, maybe for some of you all, you are going to go in the path of recovery, or if you're feeling some kind of sadness or tiredness, mentally, emotionally, you are going to overcome that. And this person is coming towards you, guys. They understand your situation and they love you for what you are, and they are going to come towards you. They are understanding your weakness and flaws, whatever you are having. So you are going to feel that enthusiasm again, and that confidence and guidance and inspiration, whatever you need to make things work for your benefit today, Taurus. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Let us see what the fairies are guiding us with today, Taurus. Fairy of the Highlands. It is time to be brave. The energy with this card, guys, is it is the time for self-protection. So sometimes people may take your ground, they may try to grab what you have worked for without doing the work themselves. They may try to take advantage of your peaceful nature. So sometimes it is very sad for us, but we need to break free from such people, and you have to fight for yourself, fight for your self protection. So you need to raise yourself and not back down, not back down in any situation or against any person. So that is the energy with this card, guys. That is the fairies guidance for you all, Taurus. Let us see what is the love message today, guys. You love me. They feel this way about you, guys. This is your person's energy or your energy towards your person. So they have this perfect understanding with you, and there is mutual love between you, and they really look up to you, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, Taurus, and that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.